Hey, welcome. And now we can continue from where we stopped. Okay, first of all, get rid of this test widget we have over here. And we want to have a widget known as clip arrow ret. Okay, clip double arrow. And the reason for this clip arrow ret is because we want to easily use the border radius. And you can see we do not have to use that container and start adding the decoration, box decoration in order to have access to the border radius. We can easily just use the clip arrow ret. And this is going to be border radius dot circular of 5. And within the clip arrow ret, it has a property known as child. And this is going to be image dot network because we are fetching from the Ethernet, right? Network, and this is going to be vendor user model, this variable, then dot store image, and also we have to convert this to a string. Seems good. And within this image.network, it has a property known as width, and we can set this to 90. And also we can just go ahead and say fit bus fit but cover. This control S now to save. And let's go check this out. Okay. Waiting for this and let's go check what's gonna happen there. Okay, seems good. You can see we have this my beautiful logo. Great. And over here we can just give a size bus to add a space. We're gonna be having between this widget and the other widget we're gonna have. And we're giving the space vertically. So this is gonna be height and this can be height of 15. And now we can have a test widget. And this is going to be vendor user model dot business name. And also we can style this, to string, to, to string. And also we can style this test style. We could increase the font size to 22 and we can give this a font weight, and instead of say font weight dot bold, we can also specify how border we want. We can say maybe 600 or 500 should be okay. We do not want it to be that much border. And use Control and S to save now and go check this out and you should see it over here. Seems cool. Looking really nice. And now we can have another sized bus, and this is going to be a height of 10, and we can then have a test widget, and this is going to say your application has been sent to shop shop admin, and then we can add a backslash to break to the next line, backslash, and we can then say, I think backslash and n, then we can then say admin will get back to you soon. Or you can basically just type whatsoever you want. And we can give this style, test style, and font size of 22. Please Ctrl S to save and let's go check how this is gonna look. Okay. Mm. And Within this, I think it has a property within, okay, it has a property known as test align. We can then say test align center. And okay, I think this is okay. And what we can also do is we can give a font width to this and see how this is gonna look. Font width, like maybe bold. We can always change it. We're basically designing. Okay. Hmm. Not really. We can make this W maybe 300 and see. Oh, probably that was okay. Hmm. I'm just gonna go with 400. You can use whatsoever you want. And now we can also give a size box, a size box, and height of 10 also. And now we can have a test button. And there's this because it is a function. And now we can have a test widget. And this is gonna say sign out. Great, great. Sounds good. Sounds really cool, right? And you can see it over there. And to sign out, what we just have to do is it's gonna take some time to sign out, and we have to use the await. And in order to use the await, we have to use the async over there. And now we can then say await, and we can call the underscore hot, then dot sign out. And this is gonna sign the user out. Great, seems really cool. And this is basically what we need. And in the next lecture, we should be able to take the user to another screen whenever uh, the user is approved by the admin.